Hi guys, in front of me is OPPO A57s, and let me show you some of the secret codes that you can use on this device. At first, open your phone dialer, and here we will be entering those codes. The first one, the shortest one, will enable IMEI number. So to do it, to find it, just enter *pound, 06 pound. And that's it. As you can see, IMEI number is displayed right in front of you. If you want to close it, just tap on OK. Another code that you can use is *pound, 426, pound asterisk, pound asterisk. And here you've got FCM Diagnostic panel, where you can read events and status. And also, if you wish to get some further knowledge, tap on more icon and select advanced view. And here it is. So that will be all for this one. And the last one that I want to share with you today for this OPPO is *pound, 225, pound asterisk, pound asterisk. And here we've got the calendar info. So if you have any account connected with this device, for example, your Google Calendar, maybe Apple Calendar, like whatever you have, all connected events connected with those accounts will be displayed right here, so you will not skip any important data. And that's it, that will be all. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.